Hello, sweetcorns, welcome and welcome back. It's been a while again. I'm so sorry, but this time I do have a reasonable reason. January and February is farming season here, so we are all busy working on the field from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So I didn't had any time to film and edit video. Also, I had fever and still I have a mild cough. So sorry. Enough with myself. I wish and I hope you guys are doing well, staying healthy, and drinking enough water in this hell of a weather. Remember, your health is your first priority. Love you guys. So, today, as the title suggests, I am showing you here how you can make cute and aesthetic Pinterest inspired trinket dishes and plates plus paint brush holder pretty easily with store bought clay. I am using molded clay here. This is a resin based clay. So first we have to properly mix the resin and the hardener. Take same amount of each and mix it well. Molded clay is way cheaper than the air dry clay available in the market, so I am using this instead. Of course you can use homemade air dry clay as well, and I showed you how you can make that in my previous videos, so check them out if you want. But few things to keep in mind when you are working with molded clay for the first time are, after you mix the resin and the hardener, it's going to dry out pretty quickly, so we have to work fast, and water is not going to work with this clay. Because of this I actually wasted lots of clay, so don't make the same mistake. And second is, this clay mixture is really sticky, so we have to use some kind of powder to prevent it from sticking everywhere. Talcum powder is ideal, but since I don't have that, I am using all putty powder instead. That's it. The rest of the video is pretty self-explanatory. Also, I don't have any tools, so I am using whatever I have around as clay tools. So enjoy the process, and I am going to add voiceover again when it's needed. Enjoy the music, guys, and the process. First I thought of make this piece into a simple plate, then I changed my mind and turned this into a flower shaped paintbrush holder. This piece was the hardest to paint. I just couldn't figure the right color for this. Oh, that was a hectic process, you guys will see. This is next day, so I lost few footage, but off camera I sanded the dried clay pieces and I made these two new plates same way. Next I am going to show you how to make lotus bud and lotus leaf. Pay close attention to this part because I don't know how to explain this in words. Same way I am going to make some more lotus buds and leaves and using glue since the clay is dry, so we need glue. I am going to attach them around this clay piece. Now painting. Painting is my least favorite part of this whole process. Not only because I am not good at it, also I have only 4 acrylic colors and I cannot use watercolors. So plus I cannot figure beforehand what colors to use. So I had to paint, repaint, paint many times because I didn't like how it turned out. You guys will see in a bit. Anyway, enjoy my struggle. this is another day. Yes, another day. It took me like 1 week, and I added this to stand to the lotus trinket dish. Also, I did paint most of them, but I'm going to change them again because I didn't like it. I should have just painted them yellow from the beginning because that's my favorite color. Anyways, what I can do now, I just like to suffer myself. Another day, and this is the final day, guys, because I'm going to varnish this. But first I'm going to change the lotus color because it's a little dull, so I'm going to give this a little shading and just like this. like how many times I just changed these colors. So finally it's done, and I hope you guys like this. Although these turned out a little tiny, then I like it, but I think these are really cute, and I think these are really cute, and I think you can give these to your any of your artistic friend. Although I don't have any friends, so I'm probably going to keep them for myself. And hope you guys like this video. I'm going to make more craft videos like this. If you guys have any request, please comment. Stay healthy, take care of yourself, drink enough water. I'll see you all in the next video, and I hope that will be soon, not 2 months later again. Bye bye guys, love you.